Okay, so first step for the puppy show and maybe for the bidding. That means, or maybe we could sell the puppies. First step is cookie. Let me just get out of the way. Now, Cookie likes being playing. She's loving, she's energetic, and she especially loves playing. Now, next step for our bidding and judging is Charlotte. Woof, woof. Now, Charlotte, she's very posh. Woof, woof. And she also loves playing. Woof, 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 woof. And I forgot to mention, she loves singing. Woof, woof, woof. Now, next up, we have Coco. Can we start the video again? Okay, so they're all gonna be sold. How much do you want them for? Me? Okay, anyone want $15 for Coco? Me? I take 20.
I take 100.
I take 1,000.
No, actually, I take 1 trillion.
Okay, so Alexia got Coco. So that's bad. Next up, we have Cookie. So, who wants Cookie for $12? Okay, Alexia or Emma? Or maybe Charlotte.
Okay, I want.
So let's start off with $15.
Okay, I want Charlotte. Okay,
$15 for Cookie? No one else?
100.
3, 2, 1. Sold to Alexia.
Yay!
Okay, now for Charlotte. Start off with $15. Start off with $15.
100.
800. 3, 2, 1. Sold to Emma. Okay, now how much for the house? You'll let her team up with your sisters and see how much. Okay, me and Alexa say $18 trillion. Sorry, I just got a cough there. Sold! Yay!
Yay!
Come on, Cookie. Come on, doggies. Hi, Emma. Hi, Alexa. Oh,
Hi.
hi. What did I get you? A smoothie?
Yep, 2 smoothies.
Yep. 1 watermelon for me.
Watermelon. Watermelon. Orange for me.
Okay. And do you guys want a hot dog?
Yes, please.
I do.
Love hot dogs.
Okay, come in right up. Just sit down.
I like to chill on the beach. So, watermelon and orange.
And pause. So, here's your watermelon and orange drinks.
So you didn't tell me to unpause it.
Here. Oh, yum.
Thank you. Oh, this looks nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, I love orange flavored stuff.
I love any, but who cares? Here are your sausages.
Oh.
Thanks.
Thanks. You don't like sausages?
No, let me eat it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And give me the hot dog. This fell off.
Wow. Oh no, the table's a bit wrecked. Let me just fix it. Oh my god, sis, what are you doing?
Sorry, I'm in love with the hot dog.
Oh my gosh.
That's why I'm hugging it.
Oh. Okay, well, we gotta go soon.
Aww. But can I take the hot dog with me?
Nope.
Why? Do I have to finish it here?
Yep, and... Okay, now I'm gonna go to the shops. Bye, sis.
Oh, I'm coming with you too, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna open the door now. Open the door.
Ding dong.
Hello.
Hi. Blah, 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 blah. Whoa, those stuff was really good, but I didn't get anything.
Same, sis. Did you get anything?
No.
I didn't.
Okay, let's drive back home. Pause. Let's drive back home.
Okay.
Okay, sis, we're home.
Ooh, are we at our spa or something?
Yep. I'm just going to put our dogs to sleep.
Okay, I'll stay in the spa while you do it.
Okay.
Oh, no, actually, I'm in my swimming suit. Okay, climb up the ladder. Climb.
Good night, guys.
Climb.
Come on, sis.
Oh, sorry. Jump. Whew. Ah.
Do you want it cold or hot?
Hot, please.
Hot? Okay. I'm having it turn off to you.
No, you can sit here.
Oh, okay, I'll come in. Ah.
This is so nice. It'll be nice if we had hot dogs.
Yeah, you love hot dogs, don't you?
Mm-hmm. What about it?
You're just addicted to them. It's pretty weird.
Alright. Yesterday I had a dream.
About hot dog party?
No, better than a hot dog party.
An ice cream party?
No, I don't even like ice creams.
An ice cream hot dog party?
No. Shall I tell you what it is?
Yeah.
I had a dream about I'm the hot dog queen. I can make billions of hot dogs whenever I wish.
Oh, cool.
And I was swimming in hot dogs and everything in hot dogs. Ooh, my watch. Ooh, my watch. Ooh, my watch. My watch. Oochie. Okay. Sis, I think I'm gonna go relax on the couch.
Okay.
This is such a relaxing on the couch, you know, guys.
I'm just going to stay here in the spa.
This is such relaxing time in the couch. This couch feels so nice. But the newspapers are gone. Well, I guess someone took them.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I'm gonna take a nap. And then pretend you put water on my head.
Sis, wake up!
Ah! Hey! That was cold water, not hot water, you know.
Yeah, but hot water will make you more sleepy.
Hey, I was sleeping. Why did you do that? I didn't like that at all.
Who cares? You need to wake up. It's the end of the video.
Oh, wait. You were recording the whole time?
Yup.
You recorded me sleeping?
Yep.
I'm gonna be so embarrassed.
That's the end of the video. So, hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the
this.
Lego video. I'm with Sophia, if you guys didn't know. She's one of my friends. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Bye!